Well, when we talk about remediation or preventive measures as far as microbial contamination goes, we have to make the environment for microbial growth to multiply. Now, how does microbial growth takes place? Is when it forms a colony and it has a food source. Food source could be dirt, it could be moisture, and the right kind of temperature. We have to ensure that these elements are not ideal for reproduction and regrowth. These microbes can multiply in hours, not in days. So once they get a right environment, they multiply very fast. Some of the other things which we do, we make those surfaces unattractive for growth to take place. We put coatings that do not support fast multiplication of microbial. And that's the way we try to control it. But the source has to be moisture, 1, dirt, 2, 3, temperature. And after that, you can put coatings on it. First, remove the source of growth and multiplication. And then you can put coatings to make the surfaces unattractive.